Hello and welcome to the Philippines. Parkland Hotel near Ayala Mall in Cebu City, Cebu, the Philippines. This is December 2018. They're in the process of some remodeling and renovations. The pool is closed at this time, so that's very, very important to you, and you're coming soon. Keep that in mind. I'm not sure when they're going to be finished. This is a upper story bar type area. They have live entertainment. First, he told me just on weekends, and then he said at this time it was every day. So, not sure what the schedule will be on through the year. I had a friend staying there for a couple of weeks, and he wasn't sure what his actual hotel rate was because his travel agent had booked the whole trip for him, the airline hotel, and he didn't know how it itemized out. But this guy told me that generally rates run between 4 and 5 thousand a night. I think pesos, Philippine pesos. And one thing about these hotel rooms, you need to put your key card in the little slot there. That turns your power on in your room. And you take that key card with you, it turns your power off. Generally means that you aren't going to be charging phones and computers and stuff when you're out of the room because you've turned the power off. Okay, the CR. And shower with bathtub. All right. And nice large closet.
Also have a separate piece of glass.
Okay, and a safe.
Yes.
That's important.
Yes.
Okay.
Also have here a mini bar.
Mini bar down here, a little refrigerator. Okay, they stock that? Okay. And water, hot water,
Yes.
hot water heater. And good for three,
Yes, sir.
this one here. Do you know what the average rate is?
4,700, sir.
4,700? Okay, very nice. And Wi-Fi?
Yes. Have your Wi-Fi password.
Okay,
Card.
all right. And
Sky Suite, sir.
which building is that?
Mandarin Hotel.
That's Mandarin Hotel over there, all right.
And at the back of that is Ayala Mall.
Okay, yeah. Nice, comfortable room. I don't like to quote prices at hotels because rates change regularly and drastically, just like airline rates do. Um, so the different times of the season, when we're in a high season, or events going on, or promos for some reason, they can go up and down. That's a pretty fancy hair dryer. Because of remodeling on some of the floors, I wasn't able to see all of the room types, but carpet on the floor helps keep it quiet. Now I'll show you the very nice gym area. And one complaint I had, my friend's room overlooked this area, and he said at night the music, the loud music, was disturbing till about midnight or so, and I'm not sure why management doesn't have a control on that. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice gym. Very nice gym. One of the best that I've seen. Other than that pounding music again, very annoying pounding music or noise. I don't know if it's music or just noise. Would be a nice place to work out, but that would probably drive me nuts in a couple minutes, and I would go find some other gym. And they have a Gymboree, a membership place for play and music. Noise can be an issue in even these nicer hotels. Not sure what it is. Filipinos grow up with a loud noise, and they think that's normal. I had a breakfast buffet in here, and they were playing nice Christmas music, but it was so loud we could barely talk across the table. And I asked them to turn it down, and they were nice enough to turn it down to reasonable level. But you may find that you have to do that. You just have to ask in restaurants and even the nicer places. You have to ask them to turn down the noise. And it seems the management either doesn't care or doesn't have any control on that. Not sure what the issue is. They think that is normal, loud. Anyway, a very nice hotel. Um and it's very near and convenient to Ayala Mall. Coffee shop downstairs. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, please share the video, please subscribe. Safe travels to you all wherever you're at, and we'll see you next time.